Hi friends, welcome to my sewing room. My name is Becca, and in today's video we're going to look at the November 2021 Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. This is a monthly sewing subscription box, and all of the details for how you can sign up will be in the first comment down below this video. Now, you heard me right. Today is Monday, January 31st, 2022, and literally moments ago, this beautiful blue box was put in my hands about 101 days later than when I normally would have received it. Yeah, shipping delays are a real thing, my friend, and the whole world is scrambling to get their hands on products that need to go out the door. So I can only imagine how busy the shipping departments must be once product is received, because it's already delayed and they're probably kicking things into high gear to get it turned around ASAP. Now, Fat Quarter Shop has been keeping all of us subscribers in the loop about what's going on with the boxes. So the November box we knew was going to be delayed, and we've already gotten emails telling us that the December box and the January box will probably be received sometime in February as of right now, though that could always change, you know, down the road. And I wouldn't be surprised if the February box and the March box and all the other boxes are delayed as well. So as soon as I get them, rest assured, I am still subscribed. I will still do an unboxing for you, but if I don't have a box to open, I can't show you what's inside. But I do have a box today and I want to dive in. Before I do, I would just like to ask you really quick, if you enjoy this video at any point, the best way to compliment me is hitting that subscribe button down below and clicking the bell off to the right of it. It doesn't cost you anything, but it encourages me to keep making videos just like the one you're about to see here. And oh, by the way, it tells YouTube you like me, so YouTube recommends my videos and my channel to other people that watch the same things that you do. It's a great way to spread the word about my channel. Just subscribe. All right, let's cut the tape and dive in. If I'm being honest, I don't even remember what the theme was for this box. Here's my sneak peek. Oh yeah, okay. So the theme is Shine Bright, and on the back side of this, there are coupon codes for 25% off needles and pins, and then 25% off anything from Gypsy Quilter. And according to this pamphlet, the coupon code actually expired 11 days ago, but we did get an email from Fat Quarter Shop and said all the coupon codes are going to be extended. So if I wanted to use those, I still could. Here's my sneak peek for the box. Let's go through all the items one at a time. Got a pamphlet that tells us about everything that's inside and their lovely retail value. We have 3 notions plus our sampler fabric, pattern, and block of the month. Let's go through the notions first. The first notion that we have is a Cindy's Seam Ripper. This retails for $9.48, and this is a new size. It says so right here. This is also in a special color. It's a cream color, and this is a size medium or large. And the difference between this and a normal seam ripper is right here. You can kind of see this here. You hold it a little bit differently. I have actually never used one of these, so I don't know how they work compared to a normal seam ripper, but this is now the second time I've gotten one of these. I think I bought one from Stephanie's shop a while back, so I'm kind of interested to see how they work. I think I'll do a notion review on a couple of seam rippers that I like, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel and watch out for that demonstration video. The next notion we have is from the Gypsy Quilter, and it is a beautiful fairy wand that's got a little bit of weight to it, so you probably clunk people upside the head with it. Yeah, doesn't feel great. This is a notion that retails for $8.98, and it's got a magnet in here, so you can wave this beautiful little pin over things that are magnetic, like those scissors, and it'll just pick them up. So this becomes a really useful notion in your sewing room when you spill pins all over the place and you're like, I don't want to step on them. So this is $8.98, and this was like $1.98. And I'd be interested to know if this outperforms this. I will tell you, this is cuter and it feels a little bit heftier, but do they have the same pickup power? Let's do a quick test. On the table in front of me, I've got all of my magic pins. There's about 100 here, I believe, maybe 50. I think there's 50. I've got all of my magic pins laid out on the table in front of me, and I'm going to use my generic wand to see if I can pick all those up at once. You can see when I pass it over one side. I almost don't have enough surface area to pick everything up, but I'll flip it over, and now I've got to kind of touch it a little bit. But it does pick up all of my pins. Everything is stuck to there. Now let's just wipe them off very gently. Woo! Poked myself. Woo! Poked myself again. Maybe be a little bit more careful if you wipe them off that way. Now I'm going to grab the Gypsy Quilter wand and let's see how this performs. So it performed about the same. Both of them picked up all of the pins, and both of them I had to flip over to use the front and the back. The one thing I will mention is I felt like with the Gypsy Quilter wand, I didn't have to touch to some of the pins to really force it to pick it up. It felt like the magnet was a little bit stronger, so it attracted them a little bit quicker. Our third notion is a package of Nailed It open thimbles from the Gypsy Quilter. These retail for $7.48, and we have a medium and a large, and the idea is that you can put your finger into the thimble, your nail is exposed on the top, and then the bottom part of your finger is protected, so is your fingertip. There are two sizes in here, so you can figure out which one works best for you. I will say my mom is using these in her hand sewing. She is hand sewing some hexies together from one common thread, and she loves these, so I'll probably pass this package over to her. She recommends these. I don't really do a lot of hand sewing, so I can't tell you if I would recommend them, but she loves them. Fat Quarter Shop has been doing a block of the month for years in their Sew Sampler boxes, and this month is no different. We have been working on the Bright Side Quilt Along from April 2021 through March of 2022. This month we have got block number 8, and this is what that block will actually look like. These are cards that you can pick up from Fat Quarter Shop for about $5 on their website. I am doing each of these blocks using the fabric kit from Fat Quarter Shop. However, I'm a little behind in the videos due to the transition from our old home to our new home. I do intend to get back to recording these. I've got a few videos to catch up on, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel so that when I post those videos, you can see those blocks go together. The pattern that we have this month is called Shooting Stars, and this is an exclusive pattern for Sew Sampler members. It retails for $9.98, but I don't think you can buy this on the Fat Quarter Shop website. The pattern will have you make a quilt. They'll measure 52.5 by 52.5 inches, and it's going to require the fabric that they put in the box, plus 3 yards for your background and your borders, and then another 5/8 yard for your binding. And I love their patterns because they are extremely well written and clearly illustrated, very, very easy to follow. I think I would really like to make this pattern, and I think it would be really cool to grab some background and some borders from my stash and do this on a live. Let me know in the comments below if you would like to see me sew this on a live stream. The last thing that we have is our fabric, and this month we have got a miniature jelly roll. So this is a half-size jelly roll. Instead of having 42 strips of fabric, you have 20 or 21. This is featuring the Shooting Stars Love Lily fabric line by April Rosenthal, and the colors in here are really, really, really pretty. I will tell you that these 2.5-inch strips of fabric just don't do this jelly roll justice. When I saw this, I was like, no, I don't want this. But then when I looked up the line, which I am showing you here, and I saw the bigger images of this fabric line, I was actually kind of in love. I really love that purple and the orange. Oh my goodness, I love the orange. I'm not an orange fan, but I really love the collection as a whole and how it goes together. And I think this would make a really pretty quilt with some cream or some white background, kind of like what they've done in the picture on the pattern. This miniature jelly roll retails for $19.98, and I will tell you I'm a little intrigued because I noticed the price for this miniature jelly roll didn't go up. In a world where fabric prices have gone up across the board, Fat Quarter Shop is still calling this as a retail value of just under $20, which means the full jelly roll would retail for $40. That's kind of cool. I am super excited to finally have my November box from Sew Sampler. I can't wait to see what was in the December's box, what was in the January's box, what's gonna be in the February's box. I'm ready to get my hands on those cute little blue boxes. Unfortunately, I know it's going to require a little bit of patience on our end because that's just the world that we're living in right now. Shipping delays are running rampant. So hang tight, stay subscribed to the channel, and as soon as I get those boxes, I'll do unboxings for you. Until then, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and check out some of my other videos, and I'll see you guys all on Friday night. Bye!